Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to move the sold items down on Depop. So first of all, you just have to simply sign in into your Depop account if you haven't already. Now when you are here on the home page, simply tap on the option of My Depop in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here on this particular page, you are going to see the items that you have already sold. So if you see move sold items down, you just have to simply select it. Then Depop is automatically going to move your sold listings below your available items so that your active products appear first. However, if you don't see this option, you are not missing a setting. Depop has changed how sold listings are displayed, and the move sold items down button may no longer be available for some accounts. So on the current version, your sold listings may already appear in a separate section below your active listing. So if you want to rearrange your item, you can just simply select the listing, or you can use the filter here on the top, and then you can just simply use this rearrange option and place your available listing in the order that you want. So if your sold items are still mixed into the your profile, you may not be able to move them down manually with the current version of Depop. So in that case, don't delete your sold listings, just to organize your shop and just keep on looking for the latest update of the application. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.